guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing very well. So I was a bit hungry and then I just went to my fridge. I was like, kya khaun? And then I saw strawberries. Okay, it wasn't that fresh because anyway season khatam ho raha hai, you guys know. So I was like, let's make a face pack out of it. So I love strawberries with vanilla and like fresh cream. That's my favorite dessert. So I thought, why don't we just apply it on the face? And strawberry, as we all know, it's amazing for your skin. Okay, even if you eat it, if you apply it, it will also act like a good scrub if you want to use a scrub or if you want to do a face pack. Today I'm going to make a face pack and I'm going to show it to you. So let's start. So these are the ingredients that we need. I'm not making any dessert, okay? So this is what we need. I'll just show it to you one by one. Obviously, because this is a strawberry face pack, we will need some strawberries. And as you can see, these strawberries are not that fresh. So that's why I'm using it. So I just put 2 to 3 strawberries into a mixer grinder. And then I just made like a pulp here. And the last one is some fresh cream. So here I have my strawberry pulp. I'll just add some fresh cream into this. That's it. That's more than enough. So this is about 1 tablespoon of fresh cream that I added to this. I'm going to mix it really well. So here's another tip. If your skin is too dry, like I have really dry skin, I'll be using fresh cream. And if you have like oily skin, you can use yogurt also. So I've used fresh cream. If you don't have fresh cream, you can use yogurt. So if you're a bit clumsy, just put some tissues so that you don't drop it on your t-shirt. So I'm just gonna apply it on my face. It smells so yum. Make sure you apply it under your eyelids as well. So I've done applying the face pack. I'm just going to wait for about 10 minutes and then I'm going to wash this. So I'll be right back. So I've washed my face now. And my skin feels like really nice and soft because I used fresh cream. And as I told you, if you have like oily skin, you can use yogurt. And you can also add a little bit of honey to it if you want. I didn't add honey, I just used strawberry and fresh cream. So strawberry is really good for your skin. As I told you, it has anti-inflammatory and it has anti-aging properties. It will give you that nice glow and will get rid of all the marks and acne scars. So guys, do try this and let me know in the comment section below. And also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Official. And I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.